Car safety kits are a must-have for any driver, especially those who spend a lot of time on the road. There are many products available to choose car safety kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best car safety kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Car Emergency Kit with Battery Jumper Cables. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive emergency kit for your car, look no further than the Coogeo Emergency Kit. This kit is packed with all the essential tools and accessories you need to stay safe on the road. Made from durable 600D nylon canvas, the kit is built to withstand rough handling and can be easily stored in your trunk or back seat. With features like an LED headlight, emergency poncho, non-slip work gloves, first aid bandages, tire pressure gauge, and sturdy battery jumper cables, this kit has everything you need for car safety in one convenient bag. Whether you're dealing with a dead battery, minor malfunction, or need assistance in winter weather, camping, or road trips, the Coogeo Emergency Kit has got you covered. Perfect for both novice and seasoned car enthusiasts, this kit is a must-have for anyone on the road. Number 2. Everlet Survival Car Emergency Kit. The Everlet Survival Car Emergency Kit is a portable roadside assistance kit handpicked by experienced veterans and experts, containing essential tools such as an auto air compressor tire inflator, 12-feet jumper cable, tow strap, flashlight, and a 108-piece first aid kit. The kit also includes accessories such as repair cable ties, bungee cords, electrical tape, space blanket, rain poncho, reflective warning triangle, glass breaker, seatbelt cutter, safety gloves, and tow rope. The top-notch digital auto tire inflator has an auto shutoff function and can inflate standard vehicle tires in seconds. Number 3. Car Emergency Roadside Toolkit. The Car Emergency Roadside Toolkit is a multifunctional roadside assistance kit designed to prepare you for any unexpected auto emergencies. It includes heavy-duty 8.2 feet 6-gauge PVC insulation jump cables, car cover alignment repair toolkit, garden/snow shovel, warning triangle, tow ropes, safety hammer, seatbelt cutter, and a first aid kit in package. This kit is not only perfect for cars but also for trunks, RVs, SUVs, and motorcycles. It's a great gift for new car owners or seasoned automotive enthusiasts and comes with a lifetime warranty service for customer satisfaction. Number 4. Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit. Lianshin Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit is a comprehensive car safety kit containing 142 pieces of emergency tools and supplies for unexpected car breakdowns. The kit includes UL-certified jumper cables, tow strap, safety hammer, and seatbelt cutters, life blankets, raincoats, compasses, and more. The car repairs toolbox is small, compact, and organized with essential tools such as pliers, utility knife, tape measure, and screwdrivers. The kit is suitable for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, and hunting. Number 5. Car Emergency Safety Kit Bag. The Vcanergy Emergency Kit is a comprehensive solution for unexpected car troubles. It includes a portable air compressor and a robust set of 12-foot jumper cables, ensuring you can jumpstart your vehicle even in harsh winter conditions. The completed first aid kit contains essential supplies for handling minor injuries during road trips. Additionally, this lightweight kit is easy to store in your car, making it a practical gift for new drivers or anyone who may not be fully prepared for emergencies. With this kit, you can drive with confidence, knowing you're equipped for the unexpected.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.